Hey guys, just thought I'd do this quick video for you all. Some of you don't get snow that are subscribed to me. What do you think of this, guys? I've turned my heater down a wee bit. There's the temperature. Snowing heavy. Hey. I'm in two minds to take the dog out or not. Should I? Or should I not? That is the question. Yeah, a bit of Hamlet there for you. Oh, magic tree. Little tree, as I should say. It's freezing, guys. It's 0, nearly -1. It's just changed to -1. Now it's probably back to 0 again. It must be the temperature thing inside the car. It's nice in here. It's about 26 Celsius in here. It's lovely. It's toasty. But out there, it's like crazy material. This car isn't a 4-wheel drive. It's a 2-wheel drive. But because it's got smaller wheels on it, it's great in the snow, and I've got good tyres on it too, so it makes a difference. Snow tyres. So there you go, guys. A blizzard. Hope you're all having a lovely Tuesday. Wipe this window. I don't often do your reviews, but I got Michelin snow wiper blades. My god, they're good. My god, I don't usually do like reviews on like car parts. Can't really get them to stop in position, but they're Michelin something snow blades, and I'll tell you something now. You can get yourself a set of them if you live in conditions like this. Well, guys, I'm going to end this video now and take the dog out. I don't really want to get out of the car, but I have to. It's a shame I can't put the dog out and then shut the door again, but now I'll need to go a walk, take her through the woods over there. It should be sheltered. And catch you all on Friday for the Chris and Alan show. So, well, if the flu hasn't got us yet. I wouldn't worry about that flu, guys, honestly. But anyway, catch you all later, guys, and have a great day. Bye.